Hi guys, welcome back to another video. This is gonna be a pretty short video. So I've ordered these dynamic wheel caps. What it does is, well, you kind of get the idea. You just put these on your wheel hubs, and whenever you're driving around, the logo itself will basically stay centered like this. So these are from Volkswagen themselves, so it's not something third party. So I think that was very nice. So I got these for a pretty nice deal. I got here the right there is the part number. It's pretty small, so I will put it somewhere in the video. And also there are multiple sizes for this. So this one is yeah, obviously for the Golf. So it's basically everything with a I believe a 57.1 millimeter hub. So we're gonna, because one of my wheels doesn't have the cap, I'm just gonna put it on there. I'm gonna see you how to do it. It's really self-explanatory. You just click them on. So guys, what do you think? Okay, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.